Do you want to download videos directly from YouTube to your device without installing any extra apps? In this video, I will show you the official way to download videos inside YouTube itself and watch them later without an internet connection. So, to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to YouTube app. After that, you can choose any video you want to download. For example, let's choose from my history here, this video. And as you see, they will show you something called here in this sign download. So you click on download here in that way. After that, you click on view here. And they will show you that the video is downloaded. When you turn off the Wi-Fi in that way here and you go out from YouTube and you enter again, as you see here the Wi-Fi is off. So as you see, if you go to home there is no videos, but if you click on the sign of you profile and you go to your downloads, you will find your downloads here, and you will find this video is working without any internet here, just by downloading it on YouTube in that way here. And also another video here is also downloaded on YouTube without using any internet. So that's it. If this video is helpful for you and if you are enjoying watching this video, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.